Hello, this is my studio under the coconut trees. Hello friends, how are you? Can I share with you some thoughts? Are you lonely? Here are the 6 values that will lead us happy. Number 1, faith. In everything we do, remember always the Lord. Let Him pave the way for you. We can lay all our plans, but it is the Lord who gives victory. Even the great artist Michael Jackson, when he was invited to talk to a group of Christians, said he had everything, fame and fortune, and all things money can buy, but deep inside him there's an emptiness. For him, one thing is lacking until he found out that it was Jesus. Jesus alone fills the void on his heart. Number 2, contentment. Celebrate small wins like good health, stable jobs, a well-performing small business, a loving wife or husband, a loyal circle of friends. These are the things that we should be thankful. We should be happy for that. Good things will come in due and appointed time. Number 3, healthy relationship. When there is joy, there is peace. Relationships was built on mutual trust, but it can shatter in just a wink of an eye by pride and arrogance. Remember, do not add fire by creating another spark. Let it cool down. Number 4, good financial management. Manage well your finances. Almost everything in our life depends on it. You cannot be happy if you gone broke. Expend only according to needs, not to wants, because wants can never be satisfied. Number 5, proper mindset. Happiness is in the state of the mind. It is the way you think and see things the way they should. You are sad because you always keep it in your mind. Suffering and pain will heal as time passes by. Accept life's harsh reality. Sometimes the world is not on our side. Number 6, giving. To give has a divine essence. Give or help to people who are really in need. A smile on their face, the glitter of their eyes creates a spark on your heart. Your heart will speak of gladness. We are all here for a purpose, our very own reason for living, not only for us, but also for others. I'm your brother far away. Please share us your thoughts. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching. See me again.